Hi, I'm Vera. I'm a child passenger safety technician instructor and child passenger safety advocate for Safe Traffic System. We're the manufacturer of the RideSafer travel vest. The neck cushion attaches to the back of the RideSafer travel vest. We recommend it to be used when the vest is used with the tether, so that this portion of the tether, which contains the energy absorbing loops that you see here, these rings are designed to stretch out during a crash, and they are designed to absorb the energies of the crash force so that the energies are not transferred onto the child. But during regular travel, since there are 3 rings here, especially for little girls, it becomes uncomfortable after a while, and their hair can get caught up in these rings. So the neck cushion is there simply for the comfort of the child. In most vehicles, the neck cushion is not required because of the contour of the vehicle seat. If the vehicle seat is very contoured inward, then the neck cushion will actually push the child's head forward, and the child will not be very comfortable. The whole idea of the RideSafer travel vest is to add comfort and safety all at the same time.